Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I'm excited because today we're unboxing an update to one of our modern classics. This is the Logitech G535 Lightspeed wireless headset. And cutting right to the chase, because it's here on the box, the G535s are now PlayStation compatible, making this headset even more powerful. So let's get into it. The first thing we'll do is slide out this inner packaging. I never get tired of that product presentation. On top here we have the accessories box, which we'll set aside for a moment. Next thing we have is the headset itself, wrapped in some protective material. We'll go ahead and remove that. And now, it's time for the peel. Nice. And here is the unit itself. These still weigh in at 236 grams, still super light on the head, and all of that extra battery offers 33 hours of gaming. These have honestly become my daily drivers. The battery life is excellent. This is the set I use to game and edit videos. These have an extremely comfortable headband that's reversible, adjustable, and even washable. You can really dial in your fit with these. And the headband suspends the headset so that it isn't resting directly on your ears and temples, which is where that all-day comfort comes from. They're super flexible, and the ear cups are super cushy. You can legitimately wear these all day. I know because I do. And inside the box we have some documentation. But we'll go ahead and set all of this aside. Now let's take a quick look through the accessories box. First, we have the Lightspeed dongle, and inside here we have the charge cable. Everything you'll need to get up and running. For more tips on getting these up and running, check out our video on connecting your Lightspeed headset. On the left side of the headset, you'll find the power button, a volume control wheel, and the flip-up boom mic. One of my favorite details here is if you flip the mic upwards, it mutes. I love that feature. I seriously love this headset. 40mm drivers that sound great, incredible response time because of the Lightspeed connection, and they're even Discord certified. Whether you're gaming on your computer or your PS4 or PS5, this is an amazing solution. I hope that covers the features and benefits of this outstanding headset, and G-Hub unlocks tools like EQ settings and more, so check out our introduction to G-Hub video for more info. Lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to check out our support site, which has downloads, FAQs, and tons of other cool resources to help you get the most out of your product. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.